Wake up and smell the coffee. You're not just broke. You're blind to the habits chaining you down. This isn't your usual feel-good financial fluff. We're diving deep into the raw truths that Warren Buffett himself advocates. The legendary investor once said, "The chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken." It's time to shatter these chains. Number 1. Living beyond your means. The invisible money drain. You think you deserve that new car or the latest iPhone, right? Wrong. This is the first trap. Warren Buffett lives in a modest home he bought decades ago. Why? Because he understands the power of living within means. Every penny spent on things you don't need is a penny stolen from your future wealth. Start budgeting like your life depends on it. Because frankly, it does. Cut the unnecessary expenses. Remember, every luxury item you buy on credit is a chain around your financial freedom. Number 2. Ignorance is not bliss. The cost of financial illiteracy. Not understanding stocks is not just lazy, it's lethal for your wealth. Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Why? Knowledge is power, especially in finance. Ignorance in financial literacy isn't just a minor setback, it's a one-way ticket to Povertyville. Hit the books. Read about investments, understand the stock market basics, and stay informed about economic trends. There's no shortcut here. Educate yourself or stay poor. Your choice. Number 3. The debt trap. Slavery in disguise. Credit cards are not free money. They're a trap, a seductive path leading straight to a financial abyss. Buffett avoids debt like the plague. Why? Because debt is like giving your future self a pay cut. Pay off your debts, starting with the high-interest ones. And once they're gone, stay away from unnecessary debt. If you can't buy it in cash, you probably don't need it. Number 4. Saving versus investing. The misplaced money. A savings account feels safe, right? Wrong again. Inflation is eating away your savings like termites. Buffett didn't amass billions by letting his money rot in a bank. He invested it. Start investing. It's not as complex as it sounds. Begin with low-risk options, learn as you grow, and remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. Number 5. The comfort zone, a wealth repellent. Playing it safe is playing it poor. Buffett took risks, calculated, informed risks. Your comfort zone is where dreams go to die, especially financial ones. Step out of your comfort zone. Experiment with new investments. Start a side hustle. Do something that scares you financially. That's where growth happens. There you have it. A no-nonsense guide to stop being poor, Warren Buffett style. It's not about cutting coupons or skimping on Starbucks coffee. It's about changing your fundamental approach to money. Break those chains, educate yourself, invest wisely, avoid debt, and dare to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, it's your move. Stay poor or get rich. The choice is yours.